Varon. Vill du ha frukost också? We're gonna have our breakfast, so it's only fair that Sierra gets hers too.
This is true. Here you go, Sierra.
Let's see how this goes. Oh, geez, she's double spooning it. What's going on here? Special morning breakfast for departure day.
This is so exciting. Oh,
look at that. Poached eggs, toast, fresh avocado. I think by far my favorite way to cook eggs is poached. Look at that.
That's
what I'm talking about. So today, we're setting sail for the Bahamas.
Yep. Should we look at some weather?
Yeah, let's check it out. All right, well, I pulled up the latest forecast from Predict Wind, and it's looking pretty good for departure this morning. So here we are in San Juan, and this is where we're going to check in the Bahamas, Great Inagua Island. And if you look at the wind, like right now we've got a solid 15, 16, 17 knots for most of the trip. And here's how it progresses. This is right now. This is as we cruise. This is Monday this afternoon. Cruising. This is Tuesday, tomorrow, and you can see it's coming up even a little bit. So we're starting to see maybe some high teens, and then maybe even up into 20 knots in some parts. So it's looking pretty solid for a 4-day sail, 3-4 day sail.
Sierra's sleeping.
So yeah, we'll get the dinghy on deck, pull up the hook, and whoosh. No matter how many miles we put under the keel, I still get butterflies in my stomach before every passage. This would be our longest passage to date, with just Karen and I alone, and we're more than a little nervous about how we would handle the watches, the cooking, and the sail changes by ourselves, all while caring for Sierra at the same time. But once we get the hook up and underway, the nervousness fades into excitement, and the rhythm of passage making begins.
Yeah, we're getting pretty close to that guy.
Shit, the wind is shifted and it's brought this guy right over our hook. And so he's literally right on top of our anchor now. So we're gonna try and back down, see if we can drag back a little bit.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's working. Neutral.
Hooks up. All right, here we go. I really like Puerto Rico and I really like San Juan.
Yeah.
It's an awesome city. It's like a lot of energy and culture and music and just fun. People are just having fun here.
We had some really cool friends, some old friends that we met last year and some new friends.
Delos! Yay!
Just to be able to hang out with locals and talk and go for dinners. It was really, really cool.
But it's always such an intense experience because basically our mission when we got here was to provision the boat, right? So we're going off the grid for basically the next 2 or 3 months through some really uninhabited places. So we needed to stock the boat up with enough fuel and food and baby essentials and everything else to live by ourselves in these remote places. And so it's always quite intense going into the stores and getting all the stuff, making lists, and then going and shopping and trying not to buy too much, but trying to make sure that you get exactly what you need.
So we got everything we wanted, provision wise, and yeah, like Brian said, a little bit more probably. It's just really cool. It's a cool city, and I didn't mind being anchored out either. It was kind of interesting, and I like it better than being in the marina. So that was nice. And yeah, passage, huh? I'm a bit nervous. I'm excited though. It's both. It's always like that, I think, when you go on a passage that is longer than like a day. I find that I always feel a bit nervous, excited. It's like mixed feelings. And I think it's definitely more now when it's just the two of us that have to do everything and take care of the baby and cook food and sail the boat 24/7 and make sure that we're safe and stuff. So it's definitely a lot of responsibility.
I don't know, it's so exciting because this is our longest sail with Sierra that we've done this season, and so it'll be cool to see how that goes. And the weather's looking fantastic, and I know when we get there it's going to be amazing. Ready to jibe?
Ready to jibe.
Jibing! Nice jibe. Get it, Kazza, get it! Wow! She loves those apples, huh?
She loves them.
I feel like our whole trip so far has been leading up to this passage.
Yeah, I know. I think it's because it's kind of like a big milestone for us to have this done, you know?
It's like a long sail,
Yeah.
and we've been building up this idea of getting back to the Bahamas for so long.
I know.
And I'm always a little bit wary of that because you never know if it's going to turn out to how you expect it, putting all these preconceptions on it. But whatever it is, we'll have fun.
No, we will. And it will be really, like, it will be a big achievement, I feel, for me to have this passage done.
Yeah.
So, yeah, day one.
So far, so good. So the wind's looking pretty good. We've got, I think, pretty close to 20 knots true. And we're doing really well, except our course is that way. And so I think what I'd like to do is put the downwind pole out on starboard tack. So we'll put the pole out on port side. That'll allow us to turn like another 30 degrees to port. Put the wind and the swells a little bit more behind us. We'll be on course, and I think we'll still cruise. So we just got to furl the jib in. I've got the pole all rigged up. Put the pole out, unfurl the jib, and whoosh. Okay, you ready? 1, 2. There, that's a lot better already.
Yeah.
Get it. Well, we're settled in. Delos is getting in a groove. Sierra is nursing, and this is our life for the next 3 days or so. Now I'm gonna sit in that corner. I'm gonna chill, and I'm gonna watch the ocean roll by for the next few hours. We have our first stinker at sea. It's a squisher. Oh, it's a squisher. To tell you the truth, I'm honestly not looking forward to this because we've just started a passage, the boat's moving. We have all the hatches closed, so it's like hot and I don't know, it needs to be done though. It's like going into battle.
But they'll never take our freedom!
How is it?
Oh, you can definitely tell she's been eating solid food.
Oh, I can smell it. It smells real bad. Okay, I need to go outside because I'm feeling quite... I usually take seasickness pills the first like 2 days when we go on passages like this. But since I'm breastfeeding, I don't really want to do that. So I'm not feeling too fly right now.
I did it!
Wow.
It's like a battlefield in there. How could something like that come out as something so cute? Oh man. Round 2.
Oh no.
Oh man. Snug it. Oh man.
Oh my gosh, she's a bit fussy too.
Yeah. She's okay. Going back in. Yeah, come on child. Let's get this out of your pants. Jeez. I'm gonna bring 3 rags this time. The ocean is actually pretty wild right now, and there's some pretty good sized waves. I don't think Sierra's too happy about it. Are you enjoying the ride? No. Anyway, we've taken some pretty big waves. Delos is making good speed. Sierra is crying. .9, 9.25. I saw 10.1 one time.
Really?
Yep.
That's crazy. It's a bumpy ride though. I'm not feeling too good.
Sierra's been having trouble sleeping.
Yeah, she slept for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes. That's about it.
So what do we decide to do for the watch schedule?
Well, if you still want to do it, you will do from 8 to 6. No.
What? Nah, man.
No, I meant from 8 to 2.
Yeah.
That's still a long watch. It's 6 hours.
I can do it though. I got my energy drinks.
Okay, and then I will come on and do from 2 to maybe 6 or 7.
Yeah.
Maybe we can I will wake you up
Yeah.
or something.
Good plan.
Lack of sleep was my biggest worry on this passage, but by adapting our watch schedule to Sierra's sleep pattern and probably some day naps, we hoped to take care of ourselves, Sierra,
and Delos without getting too exhausted.
So day 1 is done and it's been a really great day. And I'm looking forward to seeing the sunset tomorrow morning. So, new video then. Bye.
Ahoy Delos tribe! Summer is fast approaching, and we just got a new batch of our solar long sleeve shirts in the shop. They're available in men's and women's sizes to fit all. So just pop on over to svdelos.com/rashguards and grab one for that special person in your life. Audio check, 1, 2.
Audio check.
Well, there's a thumbnail. Business in the front, party in the back. Look at that. Like it? I like it a lot.